Why did you start to look for Yiddish?
Okay, it's a big question, and I'm really happy that you asked this question because, first of all, and before everything, I'm Jewish. Jewish have history, and our history, it's not an easy history. Things happen in the past. Even we need to say thanks every morning that we have a country. So, I just tell you before what I'm going to learn, but I think even it's not my what I try to know. It's not what I try to learn, but it's important to me because I feel I'm Jewish and I feel I really need to come and to understand what happens in history. The first thing is to know Yiddish, because Yiddish, it was a language. It's before the Hebrew. It was a language. So I want to learn this language because I think it's important. Also, I want to see my history, my family history. I just find documents and it's written in Yiddish. I want to understand it. I want to contact with that. I want to know about this language. My family is speaking this language, so why I not speaking this language? Why not? If all my community of all the Jewish in the past speaking this language, and I really think it's important. It's the reason why I come here. It's the reason why I come here to do that. Even I don't, if I will decide it, even right now I decide to continue with that. If I will decide to don't continue with that, I'm really happy that I think every child in Israel need to take one course, a short course about Yiddish language to know the basic, because this language was our language in the past, and we need to remember the past to live the future.